counting 1 to 10. I cannot sleep. My mommy said counting can help you sleep. Kids, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, let us spell the numbers from 1 to 10. 1. O-N-E 1. 2. T-W-O 2. 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. 4. F-O-U-R 4. 5. F-I-V-E 5. 6. S-I-X 6. 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 9. N-I-N-E 9. 10. T-E-N 10. Good job, kids! Let's watch the stars and count them. Can you count the stars? There are 3 stars. Can you count the stars? There are 4 stars. Can you count the stars? There are 7 stars. Can you count the stars? There are 5 stars. Good job, kids! I feel sleepy now. Thanks for your help.